Gone are the days when the month of summer vacations were just days of boredom and usually wasted on unproductive activities. It's fun to hang out with friends, binge watch TV shows, and eat good food at restaurants. But what if I tell you that summers can be a mix of both booming opportunities and thrill? All you need to do is to look in the right direction. And that's what I'm going to talk in this video about a summer school. A summer school is your key time to utilize the time, add credentials to your resume with your peers and friends. It gives you time to understand your strengths, and the courses offered give you insights on choosing a career path. So if you're new to the concept of summer schools, then this video is definitely going to help you to break this curiosity, learn and see if you can go to a summer school that can help you in your career journey. Hi, I'm Akshay Jalan, working as a senior project manager at IIT Bombay since a decade, helping high school and college students to explore, discover and grow in their career journey. In my interaction with high school and college students, I find many of them not resonating with the career choice that they have chosen or are unsure about the path that they need to choose. They're not aware about what are the backup options, whether this path is good for them, and how they could craft their career journey scientifically. This said, I would like to invite you to my webinar where I explain the 3 secrets of how to choose a career, role of parents in career selection, and how to develop a mindset to learn and grow quickly. To register for my webinar, I would request you to go to the link below that is being shown here, jakshay.com, and I'll see you there live, where I'll take you to an exhilarating journey of understanding how career selection, if done in the right way, can yield a success not only for a professional life but also add charm and value to your personal life. So let's begin this video where I'm going to explain to you about summer schools and how it can help you in your career journey. What is a summer school and how it can help? So let's first begin with the story of Anu and Veer. So Anu and Veer are coming back from school, spilling their water bottles with cheerful faces. The summer vacation has arrived and they are both currently in class 9. It was the last day at school. They would now be allowed to play all day long. They'd watch cartoons, meet their friends and visit their grandparents. How amazing that would be. Although they were born on the same day, there's a gap of 17 minutes between Anu and Veer. But their interest was on the polar side completely. Anu was a critical thinker, whereas Veer always immersed himself in doing creative work. One would play with Lego, whereas the other one would make mud castles in the garden. So two opposite personalities, but they'll always be found playing together. They had a deep bonding even from a young age, and having completed their middle school and now they're coming to the high school, their parents were concerned about the future, and they wanted to provide the best education for their kids. And Anu and Veer's mother was a school teacher, but a mother is a mother at home. She would try hard to keep her children busy with some homework or learning a new skill, but they wouldn't listen to her as the students would have at school. In the staff room, she had a discussion with her fellow colleagues, and most of them had enrolled the children in a summer school. It helped the child to develop at a holistic level. So being a school teacher, she was aware of such schools. However, she did not know detailed information about it. She wasn't sure if such schools would be beneficial to her children at such a young age. So let's see if this presentation can actually help her to understand. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is a summer school, what are the differences between a summer school and a remedial summer school, and what are the benefits of a summer school. How it can help you to expand your knowledge, decide your field for higher studies, go beyond the boundaries of a curriculum, support your university applications, experience a diverse education requirement, get exposed to new cultures, and popular summer school programs which are available in India and abroad will also be discussed. So let's begin. Let's first try to understand what is a summer school. So a summer school is a college or a school which offers short-term courses and run classes for the duration of that summer. So these schools are situated in India as well as abroad. These courses specialize in specific genres and will train you in areas such as languages, social sciences, business studies, architecture, design, etc. Summer school courses will not only be a new learning to you, but also will give you a glimpse of college life. So unlike school, classes in a summer school are different. They don't have a strict timetable, and also the nature of teaching differs from professor to professor or teacher to teacher. Next, try to understand the difference between a summer school and a remedial summer school. Students often confuse a summer school with a remedial school, but they are two different things altogether. Here is a short brief. Summer schools basically aim to provide additional knowledge to students from different schools or colleges over the summer. On the other hand, there are some schools that conduct remedial classes for students who are weak in academics to help them level up with other students. A summer school basically aims to inculcate expertise in a specific stream and knowledge which adds up to your existing set of skills or helps you build on a skill further, and is completely voluntary for a student to join a summer school, which they can choose according to their preferred location and programs. Remedial schools, on the other hand, they focus on students who are weak in a particular subject and aim to use the duration of the summer vacation to help and guide them to cope up and increase their level in that particular subject. So in most cases, these classes are compulsory for students who aren't able to score well in their examinations. Now let's look at benefits of a summer school. A summer school is an amazing way to manage time and keep yourself engaged in a fruitful way. So these are some of the ways in which summer school can help you. It can help you to expand your knowledge. It can help you to explore further and decide what could be the best field for you in higher studies. It helps you go beyond the curriculum and develop other skills by engaging in extracurricular, co-curricular activities. With the experience that you get, it also helps you to build on your resume and support your university applications. It helps you go beyond the conventional educational environment in the school and experience a diverse educational environment, interacting with other teachers, students, faculty members, different environment altogether, and also helps you to get exposed to newer cultures which is not available in your locality, in your school. Let's try to understand them in more detail. Expand your knowledge. If you are interested in a subject and are good in it as well, it is probably a good idea to take it up in a summer school. So doing this can help you gain more knowledge, clarity, experience, and will give you an edge over your classmates. For example, if you have a lot of interest in history, you can look forward to pursuing a short course on world history or political history of Europe, etc. This way you can get a multi-dimensional approach toward the subject. Next comes, decide your field for higher studies. We are all haunted by the thought of selecting the right course or stream for ourselves. The summers are a perfect time not only to introspect but to put the skills to use. Summer schools provide a variety of courses, some of them are even interdisciplinary, giving you a taste of those subjects at a higher level. So if you end up finding a course to be a good fit, you can explore it further and go ahead and take it up for your bachelor's degree as well. For example, if you're planning to study psychology in college, you can do a short course on the discipline to check your interest and aptitude in the subject. So doing this will help you decide whether you should pursue this course further or not. Then comes, go beyond the curriculum. Often schools aren't able to offer a large variety of subjects to its students. That doesn't mean that you should be deprived of your interests. Summer schools are the perfect opportunity where you can get exposed to a variety of unconventional courses that you can take up to explore the world beyond the confines of your school classroom. For example, if you have a huge interest in cooking, but your school doesn't give you the opportunity to let you study about it, then a summer school would be a good resort. You can take up courses in culinary arts, desserts, cooking, etc. that could give wing to your passions. Sounds interesting, right? In the same way, courses in music or fine arts or design, architectural studies, script writing, filmmaking, biopsychology are common offerings at various summer schools. Supporting your university applications. Most of us have a dream university, or many, where we wish to get admitted. Summer schools can make it easier for you to get into your dream colleges. A lot of colleges and universities have an application and a profile-based admission process, whereas achievements and experiences speak a lot more than your academics. In India, these include liberal arts, colleges for overseas admissions, and most universities have application-based admissions. Summer schools add to your profile since they showcase that you made efforts to go beyond the classroom to expand your learning. This enhances your overall application. Moreover, if a student has done a session of summer school with the same university, the chances of acceptance also increase. Not to mention that this would also give you a short glimpse of what your life at the campus would be like. Experience a diverse educational environment. Studying in a summer school will also expose you to variations in education systems as well as students around you. Studying in a summer school, especially if you're studying in a different country or a different state, will make you experience a different system of grading, teaching, testing, etc. It may be beyond your comfort zone and can be difficult initially, but will surely help you develop adaptability, flexibility, and a different set of social skills. Studying at a university also gives you the best of college life while still being in school, and it's not an opportunity to be missed on. Then comes getting exposed to newer cultures. Summer school is not only a great experience academically, but also an experience of a lifetime. If you're going abroad, you will get the opportunity to be a part of a different culture, meet people native to the country, observe their customs, learn their language, relish their food, and most of all, live with them all together. Now let's look at some popular summer school programs. Some popular summer school programs in India are shown on the list right now. So we have the O.P. Jindal Global University, the Symbiosis Summer School, the Amity Summer School, Young Scholars Program, Ashoka University Summer Immersion Program at the Flame University. In abroad, we have London School of Economics and Political Science at the UK, Harvard Summer School in the USA, Oxford University Summer School UK, Cornell University USA, Columbia University USA, Cambridge Summer School UK. You could go to the website of these universities to check and understand of how they could actually help. So check out the respective website because every college has a different eligibility criteria, application time and process. So keep yourself updated with the dates and application process. So we see that summer schools are a great way to help a student learn new skills apart from being dependent on a regular school. And this can start even early as class 6, 7, 8. And one can learn various skills and also take academic courses. So after going through this presentation, Veer and Anu's mother was quite inspired and she went on to explore the different schools where she would like to send her kids to a summer school where they can utilize the creative and inventive arts. These are some of the points that we discussed today, and I would like to ask you that do you wish to spend your summer constructively with a dash of fun and a spoonful of learning? Then probably a summer school seems like an appropriate destination for your quest of knowledge and the need for thrill. So let me know in the comment box if you as a student are inclined to go for a summer school, or you as a parent are looking to explore different options that are being shown here to evaluate and see whether a summer school will be the best fit for your child. And if you want to understand more about the science of career selection, I would invite you to go to my website jakshay.com to check out the different product services that we offer and also register for my webinar where I'm going to take you deeper into the science of career selection and career growth. So hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends, colleagues, so that they can also understand about the concept of summer school. As well as I would invite you to like and subscribe to my channel so that the next video that we bring up comes first to you. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.